Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In halls of Congress, veteran numbers wane. Once soldiers, now voices for the people's gain. Veterans stand against division, the nation's scar. For unity and purpose, no matter where they are. A code they swore to uphold, past services end. For the Constitution, veterans soared to defend. Against tribalism's siren song so loud. The call to stand on that oath, be so endowed. From Ivy halls to the factory's grind. One nation's promise, forever intertwined. Tyranny's shadows, veterans have fought. For the ideals and freedoms, dearly bought. Veterans who are homeless. According to Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, according to Veteran Homelessness, a supplement to the 2009 Annual Homelessness Report, released in January 2011. An estimated 75,609 veterans, male and female, were homeless on a single night in January 2009. Roughly 160,000 veterans experienced homelessness over the course of the year, about 10% of the total homeless population. Roughly 44,000 to 66,000 veterans are experiencing chronic homelessness. Nearly one half of all homeless veterans on a single night were located in just 4 states: California, Florida, New York, and Texas. Almost all of sheltered homeless veterans are single adults, however 4% are part of families. They tend to be younger, African American, and female. Implications and considerations. Ken Harbaugh interviews Mike Breen, an Army vet and current CEO of Human Rights First, and the Veterans for Responsible Leadership, V.F.R.L, veterans standing by their constitutional oath. The decline in veterans in positions of political leadership might reflect a larger societal trend where the experiences and perspectives of veterans are increasingly distant from the mainstream. This could have implications for policymaking and societal cohesion. The rise of extremist tendencies and the vulnerability of certain demographics, like veterans, underscore the importance of societal support structures and proactive efforts to promote unity and understanding. V.F.R.L, a group opposed to the leadership style and actions of former President Donald Trump, especially concerning military matters. Here are the main takeaways from the content. Origins and mission of V.F.R.L. The group was formed as a counter-narrative to the growing support for Trump within parts of the military community. Barkhuff, the founder, believed veterans had a unique responsibility to denounce Trump and protect constitutional principles. He saw V.F.R.L as a means to provide a tribe that competes with what he perceived as the white nationalism of Trump. Trump and military relations. He highlights several criticisms about Trump's handling of military issues, including his response to the deaths of active duty troops, his dismissal of intelligence reports, the minimization of traumatic brain injuries, and disparaging comments about high-ranking officials. Public outreach. Barkhuff collaborated with other anti-Trump groups and figures, notably the Lincoln Project. His videos for them went viral, and this boosted the profile and financial backing of V.F.R.L. Efforts, while noble, highlight a broader need for society to actively bridge gaps between different sectors and demographics to ensure a more cohesive and united nation. Membership and growth. As Trump's presidency unfolded, V.F.R.L's membership grew, reflecting a perceived crisis of patriotism. The group provided a platform for veterans disaffected with politics under Trump and sought to challenge the president's leadership based on their experiences defending the nation's principles. Shift in military support. Polling data suggests that support for Trump within the military community was declining. While Trump still had significant support, the margin was narrowing compared to 2016. Post-election dynamics. Trump's post-election fundraising activities, based on claims of election fraud, and the creation of a leadership political action committee are noted. Despite his electoral loss, the continued financial support from the public underscores the lasting influence of Trumpism. V.F.R.L's future goals. The group intends to challenge Trump supporters and enablers, in future elections, to push for candidates who will prioritize the needs of their constituents over personal or party gain. Key points. 1. Decline in veterans in Congress. The percentage of veterans in the U.S. Congress has been declining. This can be viewed as a representation of the broader gap developing between the civilian and military sectors in society. 2. Bridging civilian-military divide. The V.F.R.L members aim to bridge this growing gap. They believe that the military's place in society should not be a political issue and aim to address misconceptions and misalignments between the two sectors. 3. Promotion of cross-sector understanding. The group proposes an exchange program that would allow college-educated and working-class Americans to collaborate on projects, aiming to reduce distrust and promote unity. 4. Trumpism and media. The rise of divisive media outlets and the tribalistic tendencies of Trumpism are highlighted as catalysts for further societal division. 5. Veteran Code of Conduct. Aiming to promote responsibility, honor, and unity post-discharge, the V.F.R.L introduced a Veteran Code of Conduct, emphasizing loyalty to the U.S. and supporting peaceful transitions of power. 6. Veterans and extremism. The challenge of some veterans being drawn to extremist groups and actions after leaving the military is highlighted. This underscores the importance of support structures for veterans transitioning back to civilian life. 7. Historical context. Admiral Arthur Radford's 1955 speech on the essence of the Code of Conduct emphasizes that mere memorization of foundational documents is not sufficient. True understanding and internalization of values are essential to prevent societal downfall. 8. Existential significance. Barkhuff underscores the importance of understanding and upholding societal rules as being more than just principles of fair play, they are essential for the survival and well-being of society. In summary, this provides an overview of Barkhuff's perspective, the concerns of V.F.R.L, and the broader dynamics of Trump's relationship with the military community during his tenure as president. In a land diverse, with stories vast, the Constitution's thread holds us fast. From every creed, color, and station. The Bill of Rights, it's the heartbeat of this formation. Though veterans may differ, in their song or solution, they are bound as one by the U.S. Constitution. It is the pledge veterans make, the path they chart. All men are created equal, the soul and core of America's heart. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.